Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last session, we have seen the multiple choice questions, checkbox type of responses and the drop down type of responses. In this session, we will continue with the file upload. So as you know, there are some of the cases or some of the responses wherein we need to request some of the information from the user, and sometimes it may not be in a simple text format. We might need some kind of image or a supporting document for it. Say for example, consider a scenario wherein a school has given an assignment to the students and student has to resubmit their work to the teacher. Okay, so what teacher can do is teacher can design the form, okay, and distribute that form with the file upload option enabled into it so that student can go into that particular question or the section and they can upload their file for the further use. So let's see how it works. So as you know, so we were under the section 4 from the last session. I just click on file upload. Okay. So my new question has been created. Now that we are into the some demo driving safety awareness form, what I will do is I'll just put a simple question. Is your PUC valid? Okay. If yes, comma, please upload a picture. Okay. So in that case, what it will ask is we are asking them to upload a picture of it. Okay, so here we can set maximum number of files. So one user, how many files he can attach to this form. So for a one vehicle, it is a one PUC. So if he has multiple vehicles, it can attach multiple PUCs as far as our demo is concerned. So let me put it 5 here. Maximum file size of each file should not be more than 10 MB, which we can change to 1 MB, 10 MB, so on and so forth up to the 10 GB. So let me put 1 MB because it's just a simple picture file. Here it is guiding me that this form can accept up to 1 GB of file. So if we have a bulky file responses, then we can change this to. So here we have opened the setting and here we can set the maximum size of all the files. Now this is a consolidated size which we can set to say 1 GB, 10 GB, etc. But for that there has to be a space in your account on the drive. Okay, the Google provides 15 GB of free space, so accordingly you need to set this. Okay, here now sometimes the user might some user might put JPG format, some user might put some PDF format. So if you wanted to restrict the input file formats, what we can do is we can use the first icon, allow only specific file types. If you enable this, it has opened the option which type of file we are allowing users to upload. So let me select image. Then user can only upload the image files to this. Okay. If it is a general kind of assignment kind of thing, we can say the document, we can say this presentation or spreadsheet or PDF, etc. Right. And again, there is a description we can add to this question. So let me click a description. And here, let me quickly modify this as please upload a picture of your vehicle PUC. Okay. If PUC is not valid, skip to next section or question. Okay. So let me show you this output. As I have not made any question mandatory, I can simply click on the next to navigate to the next section. Now see here, my question has been appearing here with a description here, and if I click on add file, it will open up the add file dialog for the Google. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay. So this is it in this session. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for the next. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please hit a like button. And if you have any specific queries or concerns or any kind of a questions for me, please write it into the comment section. And stay tuned for the next. Thank you.